Good morning, student. Myself Sonali Gupta. This is my second video. I hope you can watch my first video on the topic of binomial nomenclature and its scientific name. Let me start now. Part of speech. What is part of speech? All the words in the English language belong to the word class called the part of speech. All the word in English, जितने भी वर्ड होते हैं इंग्लिश में लैंग्वेज में, बिलोंग टू वर्ड क्लास, बिलोंग करते हैं क्लासेस से, उसे ही पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं. There are 8 type of part of speech in English language. English language में 8 टाइप के part of speech होते हैं. That is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In the part of speech, we start noun. What is noun? Noun क्या होता है? Noun is a word used as the name of person, place or thing. Example is a rose. Here noun is rose. Second is a doll. Here doll is noun. How many types of noun? First is common noun, second is proper noun, third is collective noun, fourth is abstract noun, and fifth is material noun. In part of speech, second is pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun can replace a noun or another pronoun. You use pronoun like he, which, non, and you to make your sentence less cumbersome and less repetitive. Kinds of pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. Pronouns are divided into 11 kinds. First, personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, relative compound pronoun, or possessive pronoun. In part of speech, third is verb. What is verb? A verb is a word that shows an action or state of being. In other words, they explain what something is or is doing. Example, he ran quickly. This is action. He is happy. This state being. Kinds of verb. There are 10 kinds of verb. First, action verb. Second, transitive verb. Third, intransitive verbs. Fourth, finite verb. Fifth, non-finite verb. Sixth, dynamic verb. 7, sensitive verb. 8, regular verb. 9, irregular verb. And 10, auxiliary verb. In part of speech, fourth is adjective. What is adjective? Adjectives are modifiers. They modify noun or pronoun. This means they change the image of the noun or pronoun. Adjective can located by asking the question, that is, what kinds, which one, how many, how much. Type of adjective. Type of adjective. There are 8 types of adjective. First, proper adjective. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, demonstrative adjective. Fourth, interrogative adjective. Fifth, adjective of quality. Sixth, numeral adjective. 7, distributive adjective. And 8, possessive adjective. In part of speech, fifth is adverb. What is adverb? Most adverbs describe an action verb. Run is verb. You could run fast, run slow, run backward, run sideways. Fast, slow, backward, sideways. These are all adverbs because they describe the action run. Type of adverb. Type of adverb. There are 6 types of adverb. First, adverb of manners, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, degree of comprehension. In part of speech, 6 is preposition. What is preposition? A preposition relates the object of the prepositions, which is the noun or pronoun, following its another word in the sentence. Kinds of preposition. Prepositions are of 5 different kinds. First, simple preposition. Second, compound preposition. Third, double preposition. Fourth, participle preposition. Fifth, phrase preposition. In part of speech, 7th is conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunction to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make one long sentence. Type of conjunction. Type of conjunction. There are 3 types of conjunction. First, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and third is correlative conjunction. In part of speech, 8th is the interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a feeling. A strong interjection is followed by the exclamation point. A mild interjection is set off with commas. For example, Yakis, have you ever seen such a tall building? Second, well, no, I guess I haven't not. Type of interjection. Type of interjection. There are 4 types of interjection. First, interjection of greeting, interjection for joy, interjection for surprise, and interjection for gift and pain.
स्टूडेंट, अगर हमारा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।